Hello everyone, welcome back to TechWell family. Today we are going to see about one of the concept in foreign key and most asked interview question nowadays. Let's see. So the question is it possible to create self-referencing foreign key? Yes, because self-referencing foreign key just like a regular foreign key, except the referenced column is in the same table where you are defining the foreign key. Let's see example. Now I am going to create table like OurStuff and that containing StuffID, that is a primary key, StuffSubID and StuffName. So I'm going to create a constraint like a foreign key constraint. The foreign key column is StuffSubID and that is referencing to same table StuffID. Now I'm going to execute this statement to create table. So table created. Now I'm going to insert a record like 1001, that is a primary key column, and null I am setting because the foreign key is accepting null value. So now initial record I am going to insert null with foreign key column. So now I am going to execute second record. 1001 already exists in primary key, so there is no validation. Now I am going to execute third statement because 1002 is already exists in primary key column. Now all columns are inserted. Now I am going to try to insert 1005 record because this record is not exist in primary key column. Now I am trying to insert this record. System will violate parent key not found. See, system is violating parent key not found. So this is called self-referencing foreign key. So we can refer single table itself. We can define primary key and foreign key itself. Thank you all. Please subscribe our channel to get more information and please comment me if you have any query related interview questions or if you don't know some concept, please comment me. I will explain those concepts in future video. Thank you all. Bye.